Hi everyone, I'm Jason Maida. It was great to see everyone last week out at our booth at TGFS out at UC Davis. You know, we're really excited to partner with UC Davis, being a preferred lender for UC Davis employees when it comes to home refinancing or maybe even purchasing a home. And it's always great to get out and connect with employees and share more information about how we can help them realize their homeownership dreams. Out at our booth, you got a chance to hopefully play some of our games. We had a putting contest, we had the spin the wheel, and then we also had some really cool giveaways. But the hope was that you could actually win the Apple Watch. And so that's the reason why we're doing this video today. We're gonna announce the winner of the Apple Watch in just a second. And before I do, again, we're the preferred lender for UC Davis employees. So we help out with home refinancing, home purchasing. And what's really cool is every 2 to 3 months, I host a home buyers workshop right at the Courtyard Marriott, just right there on campus. In fact, we have one coming up on May 25th from 12 to 1. We're gonna serve free lunch and just really help educate and help inform you as you're deciding to become a homeowner, maybe for the first time, maybe the second or third time. So again, that's coming up May 25th, right at the Courtyard Marriott on campus. All right, well, let's get to it. Without further ado, let's announce the winner of the Apple Watch from last week's TGFS event at the American Pacific Mortgage booth. Here we go. Let's get a drum roll. Okay, the winner of the Apple Watch from the American Pacific Mortgage booth is Maria Morales. Maria, congratulations. You just won the Apple Watch. We're gonna be reaching out to you shortly after this video to connect with you and deliver that Apple Watch. So congratulations again. And then of course, for our viewers, if you do have any questions on homeownership, you can give us a call at 800-455-0986. Again, that's 800-455-0986, or visit us at jasonmaida.com. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.